How's it going, everybody? Tommy T here. Welcome to Carpet and Flooring on the Road, your one-stop shop to all your flooring, bathroom, and kitchen needs. We are located in Southern California, servicing Orange County and Riverside County since 1997. Today, we are in Newport Beach showing you a renovated fireplace in a two-bedroom apartment. Unfortunately, we do not have photos or videos of the before and during demolition, but this video will show you part of the installation process all the way to completion. So please stick around to the end to see how it turned out. We are also doing other renovations to this 5-unit apartment complex, so stay tuned for future videos on that. If you like what you see and need work done, please contact us today for a free quote. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Please subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, click the notification bell so you can get updates of our new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.